Alright, so let's take another example on partial fraction. We're asked to evaluate 2x plus 16 all over x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 2. How do we solve this? Our first task is to pick the denominator and expand the bracket. So the denominator is x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 2. Our next task is to pick each of the terms in the first bracket and use it to multiply the second bracket. So we have x multiplies x plus 2, and then minus 2 multiplies x plus 2. X multiplies x, so we have x squared plus x multiplies 2 gives us 2x. Minus 2 multiplies x gives us minus 2x. Minus 2 multiplies 2 gives us minus 4. So positive 2x minus 2x. So this is off. So we're left with x squared minus 4. So now let's write down the formula. So this is the formula to be used in solving partial fraction. The numerator all over the expanded bracket is equal to a all over first bracket and then plus b all over the second bracket. If we have 3 brackets in the question, so you have plus c all over the third bracket, but because we only have 2 brackets, we'll stop at b. So now let's substitute into this equation. So we have here the numerator given in the question is 2x plus 16, and then all over, we expanded the denominator and it gave us x squared minus 4. So it is equal to a all over the first bracket in the denominator is x minus 2, and then plus b all over the second bracket given in the question is x plus 2. So let's call this equation 1. So our next task is to take the LCM of the denominators at the right hand side. So here we have 2x plus 16 all over x squared minus 4 is equal to the LCM of the denominators is simply multiply the 2 denominators. So we have here x minus 2 multiplies x plus 2. So this is the LCM. So now x minus 2 into this denominator, you will notice that x minus 2 cancels out x minus 2. So we are left with x plus 2. So x plus 2 will multiply a. So we have here a multiplies x plus 2, and then plus also x plus 2 into this denominator. You notice that x plus 2 cancels x plus 2. So we are left with x minus 2. Therefore, x minus 2 will multiply b. So we have b multiplies x minus 2. So our next task is to equate the numerators. Now, we have 2x plus 16 is equal to a, open bracket, x plus 2 plus b multiplied by x minus 2. All right, let's expand the bracket. So we have 2x plus 16 is equal to a multiplies x gives us ax plus a multiplies 2 gives us 2a plus b multiplies x gives us bx, and then b multiplies negative 2 gives us negative 2b. All right, let's collect like terms. So we have 2x plus 16 is equal to ax plus bx plus 2a minus 2b. So we've collected the like terms. So now let's factorize. So here we have 2x plus 16 is equal to, you notice that x is common between ax plus bx. So we'll bring out x. So we have a plus b multiplies x. And then plus 2a minus 2b. All right, so let's compare coefficients. So for x10, we'll look for the coefficient of x at the left-hand side and equate it to the coefficient of x at the right-hand side. The coefficient of x at the left-hand side is 2. So we have 2 is equal to, the coefficient of x at the right-hand side is a plus b. So we have a plus b. So let's call this equation 2. All right, for the constant term, we look for the constant term at the left-hand side and equate to the constant term at the right-hand side. The constant term at the left-hand side is 16, and the constant term at the right-hand side is 2a minus 2b. So we have 16 is equal to 2a minus 2b. So let's call this equation 3. All right, let's use substitution method to solve this. So from equation 2 is 2 is equal to a plus b. This is equation 2. Now let's make a the subject formula. A is equal to 2 minus b. Now let's substitute the value of a into equation 3. Equation 3 is 16 is equal to 2a minus 2b. So if we substitute the value of a, we will have 16 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 minus b, and then minus 2b. So 16 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and then minus 2 multiplied by b is 2b, and also minus 2b. So 16 is equal to 4 minus 4b. So 16, so let's move 4 to the left hand side. It becomes negative 4 is equal to negative 4b. So b is equal to 12 all over negative 4. So therefore, b is equal to 4 into itself is 1, 4 into 12 is 3. So we have negative 3. So let's put the value of b into a. Remember that a is equal to 2 minus b. So a is now equal to 2 minus, the value of b is negative 3. So a is equal to 2 minus multiplied minus, it becomes plus, and then 3. So a is equal to 5. Alright, let's substitute the value of a and b into equation 1. Remember that equation 1 is this: 2x plus 16 all over x squared minus 4 is equal to a all over x plus 2, and then plus b all over x minus 2. This is equation 1. So if we substitute the value of a into this equation, we will have 2x plus 16 all over x squared minus 4 is equal to, the value of a is 5. 5 all over x plus 2, and then minus 3 all over x minus 2. So this is our final answer.